Folks, how much of a raging narcissist does a doctor have to be to tell a pregnant woman who's been with her partner for 15 years that he can't treat her because they never married? She shares a 13-year-old child with her partner. They're a family unit. And some bloated godhopper thought, without the piece of paper that makes me feel better about my choices and less threatened by hers, I'm not going to behave like a big boy. This is no joke. And this shit's legal in Tennessee, because as of April 24th, Tennessee has a law that allows deviant doctors, nurses, hospitals, and insurers to refuse to treat people based on religious, moral, or ethical beliefs. Thanks to the new Medical Ethics Defense Act, aka the Throw a Tantrum in the Name of Jesus Act, Dr. Dinkus became the first doctor in Tennessee to admit he's not really a doctor. He's a judge and jury. I can't get over this one, folks. The guy's in the business of delivering babies. But if the baby gestates in an unmarried womb, it's a bridge too far. Do you see how utterly sick this is? Well, guess what? The law is so cray-cray you could basically pick any reason for denying care. If the patient takes antidepressants, has a history of drug use, is transgender or gay, uses birth control, has had fertility treatments, has tattoos, or even votes Democrat. I'm serious. There's no requirement that the belief be logical or backed by medical evidence. The law is written so broadly, they don't even have to say it out loud. They just have to document it as a refusal under their conscience rights. And of course, the law shields the depraved medical professionals from losing their license, being fired, or sanctioned. Hippocratic oath, schmippocratic oath, right, folks? Well, the poor woman in Tennessee is now getting care in Virginia. She was brave enough to tell her story at a town hall, and it's getting some traction. She also filed formal complaints with the Department of Commerce and Insurance and the American Medical Association, because she's clearly a badass. But obviously, this is just the beginning for the stinkers in Tennessee who like to bless these ones, not those ones. Just imagine what's to come. Oh, you have cancer. Yeah, but your cancer has cooties because you're gay, so sorry, find another oncologist. Oh no, it looks like you have diabetes, but given that you've been taking pain meds for that horrible car accident you had, tough tooties, go find yourself a woke doctor. Oh, P.S. Tennessee has the highest maternal mortality rate in the country and ranks among the worst for infant mortality. Say it ain't so. If the assholery affects their performance, who'da thunk it? Yeah, don't get pregnant in Tennessee, folks. And if you have a doctor in Tennessee, make sure he sees his patients as autonomous people and not part of his fucking flock before you let him treat you. Well, Tennessee Doc, here's hoping your name gets leaked so the whole world can judge you for your religious, moral, and ethical beliefs, and then you'll have exactly the days you deserve. Yeah.